Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volvo XC90 gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release button, typically found on the driver's side dashboard or door panel. Once you've found it, press the button firmly. You should hear a small click, and the fuel door will unlatch and pop open slightly, ready for you to access the gas cap. It's a straightforward process designed for convenience. Sometimes the electronic release might not work. Don't worry, there's a manual override. Head to the cargo area, usually on the right side, and look for a small lever or pull tab. Gently pull this lever and the fuel door will open. If it's still stuck, check for any ice, dirt, or other obstructions around the fuel door itself that might be preventing it from opening smoothly. Once the fuel door is open, unscrew the gas cap by turning it counterclockwise until it's completely loose. Place it in the holder if available, or hang it securely. Now, insert the fuel nozzle into the tank and begin refueling. After filling up, replace the gas cap by turning it clockwise until it clicks, then gently push the fuel door closed until you hear it latch securely. You're all set. For your safety, always ensure your Volvo XC90 engine is completely off before you start refueling. Also, try not to overfill the gas tank. Stopping when the pump automatically clicks off helps prevent spills and ensures proper system function. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading on the go, making your wait times more enjoyable. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.